Hello, today I will guide you on how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu 24.10 LTS Linux. Step 1. Download VirtualBox for Ubuntu. Open your web browser. Search for VirtualBox on Google. Click on the first link, which should be virtualbox.org. Click on the download button, select the Linux distributions option. Find the Ubuntu version you are using and click the download link. The virtualbox.deb file will now start downloading. Step 2. Install VirtualBox using the terminal. Open the terminal. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open the terminal. Or go to Show Application, search for Terminal. Navigate to the Downloads folder, then list the files in the folder. You should see the virtualbox.eb file listed. Install VirtualBox. Run the following command. Instead of typing the full file name, you can press Tab to autocomplete. Step 3. Fix unmet dependencies. If you see an error about missing dependencies, follow these steps. Enable the Universe repository. Install required libraries. Reinstall VirtualBox. Run the previous installation command again. Verify the installation. After the installation is complete, search for VirtualBox. Click on Show Application, search for VirtualBox. Click on the VirtualBox icon to launch it. Follow the setup instructions to configure your virtual machine. Now you can run multiple operating systems on your Ubuntu system.